How to use an Uber Eats gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use your Uber Eats gift card. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you happen to receive an Uber Eats gift card, you'll need to ensure that you've downloaded the latest version of the Uber Eats app and that you're logged into your account. And it should be also noted that any gift card added to your account cannot be transferred to another user, even if there is money left on it. So once added, it is tied to the account you loaded it on. Now, once you're ready, you can plug in your Uber Eats gift card code on your ordered payment page. So here's how to do it. What you have to do is open the Uber Eats app and tap on the account tab on the lower right hand corner of your screen. And once you do so, select the option called wallet on the new screen. Once you select the option called wallet on the new screen, to use a gift card, you'll have to tap on the option that says add a payment method. And as you tap on add a payment method over here, you have to select the option called gift card from the list of options. Once you select gift card, fill in the PIN or the gift code found in the text or emails sent when you received your gift card, and just choose the add button. And when on your order's payment page, just select gift card as your payment method. And that's all it takes to use an Uber Eats gift card for your next order. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.